Ready to supercharge your Telegram group with a handy bot? In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step through the easiest method to add a Telegram bot to any group chat. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bring in a bot that can help manage your group, automate tasks, or simply make chatting more fun. Alright, let's dive in. Before anything else, there's one crucial thing to keep in mind. You'll need the bot's username, something like an example bot, and you must be an administrator in the group. That admin access is key because only admins have permission to add new members, including bots. Don't worry, if you're not sure about your admin status, just tap on your group's info and you'll see a list of admins right at the top. If you're not there yet, you'll need to ask the group owner or another admin to upgrade your privileges first. Now, assuming you're an admin here, how to bring that bot into your group, using what's honestly the fastest, easiest method. Whether you're on mobile or desktop, the core steps are very similar, so I'll talk you through both along the way. Start by opening the group chat you want to add the bot to. Pretty simple, just scroll through your chats and tap or click on the group name. Once you're inside, we need to get to the group info. On your phone, just tap the group's name at the top of the screen. This opens up a page with all the group details from members to settings. On desktop, everything's over on the main screen. Look in the top left corner for the search bar. Now here comes the key part. You want to find the bot by using Telegram's search. On mobile, look for something that says Add Member. Sometimes it shows up as a button. Other times it's a small magnifying glass icon near the members list. On desktop, just click in the main search bar at the top left. Type in the bot's username exactly. That means you need the full name, like at MyHelperBot. Telegram search needs the precise username to find bots. If you just type part of it, you might get a flood of other group names and users in the results, so double check you've got it right. When you see the bot pop up in the search results, go ahead and select it. Telegram should recognize it as a bot profile, usually with a little bot indicator and sometimes a robot icon. Now you'll be prompted to confirm. Telegram wants to make sure you really do want to bring this bot into your group, and this is a good spot to pause and check you've got the right bot, especially if you're dealing with several with similar names. If you're good to go, tap OK or Add. And that's it, the bot will join your group, ready to do whatever tasks it's been designed for, whether it's moderating, answering questions, or entertaining your members. If you ever need to tweak what the bot does or adjust its permissions, you can do that in the group settings later. If any step takes a moment or Telegram doesn't seem to find the bot right away, don't worry, sometimes bots need to be started via one-on-one chat with you before you can add them. Just go to the bot's profile and hit start, then try again. Hope this helps you get your Telegram group running even more smoothly. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop a comment below with any questions. I do read them and I'm happy to help you troubleshoot. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear and practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.